And now we're seeing a big face-off over Fadnavis's offer to resign. Both the principal opposition parties, that the NCP, SP and the Shiv Sena UBT, are making various claims. NCP SP hints that there is infighting in the BJP. That's Jitendra Awad firing a 1 ball, 2 wickets barb. Meanwhile, Sanjay Raut is also weighed in. He says that Fadnavis is a bahana, Yogi is the nishana, and says that there is a plot to eliminate Yogi as well. Let's listen in to Sanjay Raut.
खुद वो तो कह रहे हैं कि उनको कुर्सी से हटना है, अब वो सेवा में लगना चाहेंगे।
सेवा क्या करेंगे, जनता ने उनको रिटायर कर दिया है। फडणवीस के कंधे पर बंदूक रखकर कुछ लोग योगी जी को हटाना चाहते हैं। ये देखिए, महाराष्ट्र में सीट कम हो गई, देवेंद्र ने इस्तीफा दिया, तो आपको देना पड़ेगा। ये एक प्लॉटिंग चल रही है।
Arunil joins us now. Arunil, will you tell us the background of this story? What is the political machination at play? What is really going on?
Well, one of the most significant and interesting reactions that have come in is from Sanjay Raut. Basically, Sanjay Raut is saying that this is a plotting to target Yogi Adityanath, because yes, the seats have reduced in Maharashtra, but that was to a certain extent on an expected lines. But the debacle or the setback that the BJP primarily has faced in Uttar Pradesh via Fadnavis, the BJP top brass wants to attack Yogi Adityanath. That is what Sanjay Raut is saying. Now coming to Devendra Fadnavis as well. Now, if Fadnavis is relieved from government duties in a 3-party government, and with leaders like Ajit Pawar also being part of the government, an experienced leader, Eknath Shinde also being the CM, whether any other BJP leader has that caliber to manage the government in favor of the BJP or by taking sides of the BJP, that is a primary question that clearly comes to the fore. Jitendra Awad has taken out a dig at Devendra Fadnavis, giving out a credit to his own leader, Sharad Pawar, saying that 1 ball, 1 googly and 2 wickets. 2 wickets, basically the numbers of FBA have drastically increased in the state of Maharashtra. 30 plus 1 independent is also supporting the Congress party. He was also from the Congress only earlier. Whereas the numbers of the Mahayuti have significantly reduced. And also saying that the result of that, as BJP strike rate has reduced by more than 50%, Devendra Fadnavis is offering to resign. Whereas leader of opposition Vijay Wadettiwar has taken out an attack, saying that it is this jod-tod politics of Fadnavis which has basically led to this debacle for the Mahayuti in the state of Maharashtra, and in fact requested Devendra Fadnavis to stay in the government, saying that more you stay in the government, the more benefit it is going to be for the Mahavikas Aghadi. The BJP leaders on the expected lines, be it Mangal Prabhat Lodha, Chandrasekhar Bawankule, all the other BJP leaders also had rallied behind Devendra Fadnavis reaching his residence, requesting him to stay and be part of the government. Remember, Maharashtra's assembly elections are only 3 to 4 months away.
I was just going to ask you, Arunil, now Fadnavis is one of the only leaders who has served a full term as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. In recent memory, he drove them to be the biggest party in the assembly elections as well. How much is his move and how much is his worry about the state of his party to do with the assembly polls that are coming? Because really the period of governance is almost over, isn't it?
If one has to look at the statement that Devendra Fadnavis has given yesterday, it is basically a kind of an onus and a responsibility that Fadnavis is taking, that I was leading the election campaign, and the results are not significant, not expected, in fact extremely below par, and I take the responsibility and relieve me of government duties. I want to only focus on the party functioning and building the party. This coming in just 4 months ahead of the crucial state elections is significant, and whether obviously the BJP will be wanting Fadnavis to be part of the government itself, or the decision has to be taken by the top brass in Delhi.
Well, thank you, Arunil, for sharing this information and sharing the context behind it as well.